Sparky Sparks here. I have a new wig. Oh my goodness. So this one is by Raquel Welch, and the color, one of my favorite all-time colors, fiery copper. And the style is editor's pick. So we're gonna unbox her together and take a look. So this is how it's packaged. Wigs.com packages your wigs just beautifully. They're amazing. They're shipped from, I think this one comes from Kansas, and I live in California. It's all pinned in here, so nice. So it's not going anywhere, it's not getting jostled around. Just love it. So there are some bobby pins holding it into place. We're gonna take her out here carefully. And then she's got a little tag tied into the back, which is super easy to loop out while you're trying her on. And if you wanna return her, of course, you'd put her back on. Let's see here. All right, let's take a look. So this is editor's pick in fiery copper. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it has a little hairnet, and you can take that off. And then I always like to start on the inside, so we can see it's an open weft, very stretchy, and free parting spaces right here, and a lace front, which I love lace front because it really gives the illusion of a real hairline. And as I've talked about in the past, I feel like I have an 8 head. Some people have a 4 head, 4 fingers to where you put your wig. Mine's a bit higher. That's okay with me. So, but one thing I like about wearing wigs is I can adjust my hairline to be wherever I want it to be. Excuse my runny nose, it's so cold here. Okay, so let's turn her inside out and give her a try. Oh, I love this color. Okay, so first I like to give her a shake. She's been cooped up in a box for the whole trip. I'm loving these waves. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's put her on. Again, we've got adjustable tabs in the back, which they look good to me. So I'm gonna put my forehead in here in the front, in front of the lace, and pull it back on and flip up. Oh my goodness. Oh, gosh, I just love. My goodness. Okay, so pretty. I don't really even need a comb. I was just looking around to see where I put my comb. I had one here, but I really don't need it. Look at this, look at the hairline. And this is what I'm talking about. I can put my forehead here. I could put it way back here where it is, but to me, that's too far back. So I kind of split the difference. She does have a zigzag part. So we're gonna break that part and just to make it not look as zigzaggy. Now, I've heard from some of my daughter's friends that the trend is a zigzag part again. And so I guess there's a way you can actually put a zigzag part in your own hair, which that's interesting. But look at this. Great hairline, really nice money pieces around the face. I'm gonna turn around so you can see the back. So you can see it's off my collar. So a great wig for winter if you're wearing sweaters. I'm sitting on the floor in front of my fireplace. So just gorgeous, really love. I like to tuck around my ear. Beautiful. I'd love to know your thoughts. Again, this is editor's pick in fiery copper, one of my favorite colors. Have a great day.